From mechanical arms in wartime factories to humanoid robots walking among us today, the story of robotics is one of imagination turned into reality. Let's explore how robots evolved through the decades.
In the crucible of World War II, Germany's most brilliant scientists raced to create an arsenal of terrifying new weapons of mass destruction. A stealth-like transatlantic spacecraft called the Silver Bird. An invisible death ray straight out of science fiction. Rockets, flying saucers, even an atomic bomb. 70 years later, long-secret Nazi files reveal the classified blueprints for these and many other devastating wonder weapons. They are the masterworks of a desperate quest to terrify America and their allies, win the war, and rule the world for 1,000 years.
World War II accelerated automation. Machines built weapons, vehicles, and radios. Early concepts of programmable machines emerged. 1954. George DeVol invented the first industrial robot prototype, laying the foundation for automation. 1961. Unimate, the first industrial robot, installed in a General Motors factory. Robots became essential in manufacturing, welding, assembly, and repetitive tasks. NASA began experimenting with robotic systems for space exploration. Robotics spread to electronics, automotive, and medical industries. Japan led humanoid robot development, early walking robots. AI research merged with robotics, giving robots basic decision-making. 1997, Sojourner rover explored Mars, proving robots could operate beyond Earth. Koli, Boston Dynamics introduced robots like Atlas and Spot, capable of running, jumping, and navigating terrain.
Hi, Sophia.
Hello, Jimmy.
My God. Do you know where you are?
Of course. I'm in New York City, and I'm on my favorite show, The Tonight Show.
Social robots like Pepper and Sophia interacted with humans. AI integration made robots adaptive, learning from environments. Robots assist in hospitals, warehouses, and disaster zones. Humanoid robots demonstrate lifelike movement and facial expressions. AI-driven robotics push boundaries. Self-driving cars, delivery bots, and robotic companions. Ethical debates rise. Should robots replace human labor or enhance it? Robots are no longer just machines. They're becoming partners, explorers, and even companions. As AI and robotics merge, the next chapter may redefine what it means to be human in a robotic world.